our garden themed kit, we talk all about gardening with your kids. We explore interesting concepts like, can your plants actually hear you? Is your fruit really a vegetable? And is your dirt alive? And the kids, as they go through and question and explore using their own curiosity, can then scan the code on the back of the packet to find links on our website with more details and information there. Also on the back of the packet, we have the club member spotlight and information about ongoing contests. Our activities in this packet include a little maze for your littlest chefs and some fun brain teaser activities for the older kids, trivia, and more. The recipes in this kit include a ladybug snack. There's your step-by-step instructions and a little bit more information about ladybugs that they can explore. A spring veggie pasta, which can also go with any protein side of your choice. Can easily just be added right into the pasta if you like. And there are your instructions step by step. And we have a little bit more information on the concept of al dente, which is a skill that they will practice making this pasta. Our final recipe in the gardening kit is a shredded berry ice cream. This is where you take frozen bananas and shred them, and create a shredded ice cream out of that. And then you put berries and shredded chocolate with it. So they actually get to use their tool a little bit more in this kit. There's your step-by-step instructions, and then on the back we have a little acronym for NICE and what it means to be nice to others. Of course, you're going to get this tool, which, as you saw, was used for both the berry ice cream and the veggie pasta. So that is fun. And the gardening tutorial, which gives them all sorts of tips and information on gardening, a link to find more resources, and information there. And then, of course, a sticker that they can earn when they pass off the skills on the back of the tutorial. And the actual products that you'll get will be dependent on what we have available from our partners at that time.